In June 2019, a man going by the name Investigator Jeff Rushmore showed up at several homes in Chicago wearing a fake badge and what looked like a police utility vest. A Ring camera captured him making rounds, pretending to be involved in a missing persons case.
Can you open the door?
26, I got you en route. Hill Park District 821 is going to be the sixth person. 900 North Villa, 900 North Villa. Looks like PD is with them. They can have him in custody. Dylan, 84.
26.
4739 Forest. 4739, that's Forest.
At one home, when no one came to the door, he pretended to radio in an update about an unresponsive resident.
Visual 103.
2640 George, the individual's not answering the door.
At another house, the owner opened the door, and he tried to question them about the fictional case.
Hi, sorry to bother you so late. Rushmore with the Winfield Police Department. I'm an investigator. One of your neighbors down the street reported a missing.
No one really knows what his endgame was. Some think he was preparing for a burglary, or worse. One commenter believed that he was testing the waters before trying something more serious. He was never identified. Just before 2 a.m. in Rochester, New York, a doorbell camera captured a strange scene. A man rang the bell, then immediately ducked behind a parked car. He crouched low, clutching what looked like a wooden club, breathing hard and clearly on edge. He wandered off when no one answered, but a minute later, a voice called out that the police are on their way.
Police on their way. Dude. Police on their way.
It's hard to know what was really happening. Maybe he was hiding from whoever yelled. Or maybe the voice came from a neighbor who saw him and scared him off. Others suggested he could have been hoping the homeowner would open the door so he could ambush them. In April 2023, an Asheville homeowner got a motion alert and checked her camera, only to find 3 black bears casually hanging out on her porch. They had ripped open a delivery package that happened to contain dog food. She tried yelling at them and opening the door to shoo them away, but the bears weren't leaving empty-handed. They grabbed one of the 2 bags of food and simply walked off like it was theirs. A Kansas City woman's Ring camera caught her ex-boyfriend messing with the device, apparently trying to remove it. He couldn't get it off and left. But he came back about a half hour later with a cloth to cover the lens. Three minutes after that, her son noticed their car was on fire. The flames spread, destroying the car and much of their home. An expert who reviewed the incident said this kind of escalation is common when an abuser feels like they're losing control. Police are still looking for the ex-boyfriend. A Texas homeowner woke up around 1:20 a.m. to someone claiming they were. Her doorbell camera showed a woman posing as a DoorDash driver. The next morning, she noticed damage outside and reviewed the footage. But her backyard camera revealed the real story. Around 2 a.m., 4 men trying to break in through a window. Investigators believe the fake delivery was meant to lure the homeowner to the door so the group could rush inside. The break-in failed, and the whole group, 4 men and the woman, fled in a dark sedan. They were never found. In January 2022, Daytona Beach resident Walter Hickox stepped onto his porch with his 3 dogs. Within seconds, the dogs spotted a black bear. The bear climbed over the railing and lunged toward them. Walter reacted instantly. He threw himself at the bear, somehow managing to push it back, then jammed a chair in the doorway to block it from coming inside. He rushed the dogs in and shouted that he'd just been attacked. He walked away with only minor injuries, and all 3 dogs were okay. Later, he said he didn't think twice, adding, "I did it for my dog." At 3 a.m. on October 9th, 2023, an Albuquerque homeowner got a notification from her camera. When she checked the footage, she saw a woman trying one key after another on the front door, even feeling around for a hidden spare. The homeowner had no idea who she was. The same woman later threw rocks at the homeowner's car and tried the car doors. She even attempted to shove keys into the doorbell camera itself. Eventually, she wandered off, and her intentions still are unknown. On April 24th, 2023, around 10 p.m., 2 people approached a home in Flint, Michigan. One man, wearing a red jacket, immediately began kicking and slamming the front door. The force knocked the Ring camera to the ground, but the door held. He then moved to the side entrance and tried to break that one down too. The homeowner woke up, checked the live feed, and used the camera speaker to confront them.
Hello!
That was enough. The 2 men took off running. Police later confirmed that one of them was armed, but their identities and intentions were never determined.